Hello everyone, this is part 25 of our playlist Full Stack Python. Okay, in this video we will discuss about match statement. Okay, so what is match statement in Python? So in Python 3.10 version, match statement introduced. Okay, before the Python 3.10 version, there is no match. There was no match statement. Okay, after 3.10 only we got match statement. So this is for your knowledge because sometime interviewer may ask this type of question, and this is a training course. So we will take care of all the things. Okay. So match keyword, you can, as you see C++, if you learn C++, if you learn Java, okay, let me write correctly, in Java, as you see in C language. So we have switch case, okay, switch case, switch and cases, multiple cases. So the switch case in C language or Java or C++ has same switch case like match statement works. Match statement is not such a new thing. This is work as a switch case. Alright, you can consider switch case in Python match statement. Okay, so match is a selection statement. Match statement execute block of statement based on selection of value. Okay, so selection of value we write in the case. Okay, and we write expression in the match value. Match is a soft keyword in Python. So match is what? Soft keyword in Python. Match statement is introduced in Python 3.10. Okay, remember this. 3.10. Okay, everyone, please remember this. Now we will see what is the syntax of match keyword. So if we talk about syntax, so this is the syntax. First of all, I have to write match keyword. Then I will write expression, or I can also write value. And we have respective case. Okay, case and some pattern we can give. Okay, this is a syntax. Okay, this is not actual code. This is a syntax. And inside the case, we can write a statement. We have another case, and we have another statement. We have another case, and we have statement third. And if no case is matches, if none case is matches, no case is matches. If it is false, it is also false. It is also false. Then what will happen? The default will execute. So default we write with the help of underscore. Okay, remember everyone, we write underscore case and then underscore. So it's mean default. Then all the no cases will match out of this. Then default will execute. All right. Remember everyone. So let's see. PVM read value and compare with all the cases. Okay, so PVM is what? Python virtual machine. Read value and compare with all the cases. Okay, whatever number of cases are there, it will match from the all cases. If equals to any case, PVM execute the block and terminates. So for example, our expression, whatever our expression matches with like this second case, so it will execute second statement only. Then after that, it will terminate. Okay, and if no cases matches, then default will execute. Okay, so if value is not equal to any case, PVM, Python virtual machine, execute default case, which is defined by underscore, which is defined by what? Underscore. Okay, remember. So let's take an example. For example, okay, write a program to input digit 0 to 9 and print in Word. Okay, so for example, somebody input 4, so its output should be like 4. Okay, so we will write a program like this. We will take input from the user. We will say enter 0 to 9 any digit. Okay, and we will use match statement. Inside the match, I will give the expression. Okay, if this digit match with 0, this statement will execute. If it is matched with case 1 will execute. If case 2, then case 2 is execute. See everyone, in Java or in C++, when we write case 1 for example, then statement, after that we write break. Okay, so in Python we don't need to write break. It automatically breaks when the condition is matches, case is matches, it execute the expression and terminate. No need to write break because break is not working here. All right everyone, so to reduce the complexity of the like code, so they remove the break. Okay, this is the main thing. Okay, so let's try this program. Everyone, we will write this program using Python programmable mode. First, I will open my IDLE. IDLE is nothing but integrated development learning environment. Okay, so this is this mode. Let's wait. So this mode is known as scripting mode. We will not write program in scripting mode, but I will go to the file, then click to the new file, and I will go in the programmable mode. So this is what programmable mode. My file is untitled. See, my file is untitled. I will give name to my file. How can I give? I have to save this. Where I will save? I will save it on desktop, full stack Python programs, and in program I will write program 10. Okay, program 10 and Python file is selected. This is how I can save my file. Okay, now I will take input as a digit. Okay, digit, and I will ask input, and I will convert it into the integer, and then I will ask input. I will give the prompt to the user. Enter a digit between 0 to 9. Okay, then user will type any of the digit. Okay, then what I will do, I will write match. Okay, and inside the match I will write digit. Okay, and I will use colon. Okay, so I'm creating a block. Okay, so see indent, can you see the indentation is nothing but a space before writing the statement. Okay, so this is known as statement. For example, if I write case, like what I will write, case 0. If digits containing 0, so it's mean 0 case will execute. Inside 0 I will write print, and I'll say 0. Okay, if 0 case is not execute, then what I will do, I will write case 1. Inside case 1 I will write 1. Okay, and after that we don't need to write break. Okay, so it automatically terminates when respective case is execute. I will again write print, and inside this I will write 2. Okay, and case 3 I will write print and 3. Okay, and case 4, and I will write print 4. Okay, and case 5 I will write print 5. Okay, as simple as that. The thing is, you should understand the logic. Okay, when you practice the thing, when you do lots of error and you will resolve all error by yourself, then only you can have good logic in your brain. Okay, logic building comes from where? Comes from practice the problem, practice the programs and resolve the problems. Okay, rectify the errors and resolve the error. Okay, case. Okay, so I will write case 7. I will write print 7. Okay, case 9. Case sorry 8, and I will write print 8. Okay, and if we talk about what case, sorry, if I talk about case 9, so this is the last case, case 9. I will say print 9. Okay, everyone. And if there is no cases matches, if no cases matches, then what I will do? I will write case and underscore. Case and what? Underscore. See what I'm writing here? Case, case and underscore. Then column. Okay. Case underscore, then column. I will write print invalid. Invalid input. Like this I can display. Okay. So this is how we use match statement. Okay. So now I will execute my program. I will write run. So it's asking me digit. For example, I put 4. So what? 4 is printing. Okay. Again run. Okay. So see, it's asking me again number. For example, if I write 9, so 9 will print. Okay. Let's again run. Okay. Now it's asking me again a digit. For example, at this time, I will write what? I will type some this word. So what will happen? Okay, this is the some other error. Let me execute again. Okay. So what happened here? See, it's asking the number. For example, if I write this, so it will give error. Okay. And if I write 4 digits, see what is the error here? So error. Invalid input is not working. For example, if I enter 1 and 0, 10, what it will say? It is saying invalid input. Okay, because we have to enter 1 digit, but we are entering 2 digits, so it is invalid input. Okay, let's come back to our topic. See, so for example, we take another example. So why we use match? Why we use match statement? Match statement. Why we use this? Because if there is a menu, number one this, number two is this, number three is this, number four is this. If user want to select any one item out of these four items, so what we will use? We will use match, and inside the match, I will store the respective input, and this input will match with particular cases. Okay, so see what happened. Okay, so example print menu. I write menu here, and one for circle, area of circle, and second is for area of triangle, and third we are calculating area of triangle, rectangle, and 4 means exit. If somebody input 4, so it's mean exit. We are taking input from the user, enter 1 to 4, between 1 to 4, and we are converting into the integer. Okay, then we are giving to the match. We are giving it to the match option, and we have cases. If it is match with case 1, it's mean if user enter 1, if user enter 1 if user enter one input, so what will happen? This particular case will execute like area of circle. We will write the code of area of circle. Okay. So like what I'm doing, I'm asking radius of R value. Okay, which is nothing but radius. And what I'm doing, I'm calculating the area of what? Area of area of what? Area of circle. Okay, then I'm saying here the area of circle is this, and 2f is what? Because we want after point we want to 2 digits, any 2 digit. If you want 3 digit, then you will write column f3f, column point 3f, like this. This is for precision. Okay, I hope you are getting. So everyone, please practice this program. I'm saying again and again to you, please practice this program and paste this program in the comment section below so that I can understand, I can see how many of you are doing practice. Okay, and this is for yourself, for your help. Okay, if you will do programs, so you are doing help yourself only. Okay, so that's why I'm saying again and again to practice whatever code is there. If you are understanding, then please type the code and paste in the comment section below. After execution, if your code is error free, then put the code inside the comment section. If so, for example, if 10 people, for example, if 10 people give 10 different types of code, so means we have 10 logics. Okay, so I will check everyone's logic. Okay, what type of logic you are thinking, what is your logical thinking. So your logical thinking will check here. Okay, so that's why I'm saying paste the command, paste your respective code in the respective video comment box. Okay, because comment box is free for you, for all of you who is watching this video. I will take input as base, enter the base value, and then enter the height. Okay, then I will calculate area. Okay, this is the formula, and area of triangle is this. Okay, so all of you are getting this. Okay, and I will provide the notes as well in the comments, in the description. Okay, in the description, from the description you can download the notes as well. So no worry about the code. In case 3, we will execute. In case 3, what we have? In case 3, what we have? In case 3, we will write code for area of rectangle. So in the case 3, what we are doing, we are writing code for area of rectangle. Okay. So input, enter L value, and we are converting in float. Enter B value, and we are converting in float. Okay. Area we are calculating. Area is equals to L into B, length into width. Okay. Now we are printing area of rectangle is this. Now case 4 is thank you. Okay, because if somebody enter case 4, so it's mean he or she want to exit. So before the exit, we will display a message thank you. Okay, and if no cases is matches, then we will use case underscore and we will say invalid option, try again. Okay, like this. So this is gonna be our output menu. We have number one area of circle, number 2 area of triangle, number 3 area of rectangle, and number 4 exit. As you see all the options in the ATM machine, you need to select only one option. Same here, you have to select only one option, and you have so many options. So enter any option between 1 to 4. So for example 2, then it's asking enter a value, enter base value 1.2, enter the height value 1.5. So area of triangle is this. Okay, like this you can try. So everyone please try each code. Okay, this is code. Write a program to find input character is vowel or not. Okay, so I'm taking input from the user and is stored in ch, and I will write match. Inside match I will write ch, and I will write all the respective cases a, e, I, o, u. Okay, then I will say if user enter these, if these cases is matches, then I will say what I will say, this is vowel. If no cases matches, I will say not vowel. Okay, like this. Everyone please try this program as well. I will provide notes in the description. Okay. For example, we have list 1 equals to 10, 20, 30, and 40 and 50. And I am using match, and inside match I'm putting list 1 inside the match case. So what will happen? Case 1 I'm writing like this. So what will print? Hello. Case 1. Okay, if case 1 is matches, so obviously it will match. It will match because list 1 containing this, and we have this inside the list 1, and we are matching the list because this and this both are same now. So what will happen? Hello will print. Hello. Hope you are getting. Now we are discussing about looping statement. Okay, looping control statement. Looping control statement are used to repeat one or more than one statement number of times until the given condition. Okay, everyone. So it will repeat. It will repeat until it will repeat. Okay, so it will repeat until the respective condition not matches. Okay, so this is the work of loop. For example, if I say to you like write your name 3 times using print function, so you will write 3 print function. And if I say write 100 times, so will you write 100 print function? Will you write 100 print function? If I say write 2000 times, so you will write 2000 print statement. Okay, so you will not write 2000 times because it is unusual. So what I will do, I can use a loop. I can use a loop in such a way that we want to, if the task is to repetition, so in place of repetition we can use loop. Okay, python support Python support two looping control statement. One is while and another is for. Okay, in C++, and in Java, we can see do while as well. Do while is there, but in Python we have only do while and for. Okay, while and for loop. Okay, let's discuss about the while loop. Okay, this is the basics, but basics is also important for everyone. Okay, while loop. Uh, while keyword represent while loop. Okay, while keyword represent while loop. Okay. While loop execute given block of a statement until given condition is true. Until given condition is true, while loop executes. Okay. For example, this is the syntax of the while loop. While, then I will write condition and statement 1, statement 2. PVM repeat the statement 1, statement 2 until the given condition is true. Okay, it's mean until the condition is not being false, it will execute. This is the flow chart. Start, initiate statement. Okay, after that condition will check. If condition is false, it directly stop. Condition is true, it will execute the statement and update the statement like this. Okay, while loop require three statement. Okay, remember everyone, now give your attention. Okay, now give everyone attention. While loop required three statement. What are they? Initialization is required, condition is required, and update statement is required. These are the three mandatory things for the while loop. Okay, whenever you want to write while loop. Okay, we will see with the help of example as well. Initialization statement define initial value of condition. Condition is a boolean expression which defines how many times while loop has to execute. Update statement which updates conditions. So update statement which updates the condition. For example, a equals to 1. So it is what initial condition. And I am writing a less than equals to 5. So this is what condition. And this is print nit means statement. Okay. And I am writing this one a equals to a plus 1. So what I am doing, this is the updation. This is what updation. Okay, everyone. Please remember this three condition is required. First is initialization, second is condition, third is updation. Okay, 1, 2, and this three updation. Okay, let's talk about the flow chart. So first it will start, it will initialize with a equals to 1, and now it will check condition. If condition is false, it directly stop. If condition is true, it will print and it will update. Then again condition check. If condition is true, print and update. Okay, until the condition not being false. Example. Okay, write a program to input 5 number and print sum. So this is the program to enter five numbers and take sum. So what I will do, I will use I equals to 1, which is nothing but initialization. S equals to 0, as is for sum. Okay, while I less than equals to 5, until I value is less than or equal to 5, then it's mean this true. If I value 6, it's mean this condition will false. So what I am doing, taking input from the user, and storing in the value. And what I'm doing, I am sum the value s. What is inside this s? What is inside s? 0. Okay, and what is the value? For example, user enter some value like 3. So what will happen? What will happen here? 3 uh, 0 plus 3 will 0 plus 3 store in where? 0 plus 3 is what? 3 store in sum s. Okay, now what will happen? We have I also. So what will happen? Initially I is 1. See, initially I is 1. Okay, so initially I is 1. Now I plus 1. I plus 1 means 2. So now I value is 2. Okay, so now again condition is checked. So condition is what? 2 less than equals to 5 or not? Yes, condition is 2. So it will again ask the input from the user. So it will now say user enter 1. Now user enter 1. So what will happen? 1, sorry, value is 1. And what is the inside s? We have 3 inside s. So 1 plus 3. So what will happen? 4. 4 will store in the 4 will store in the s. Okay, now what will happen? I plus 1. I plus 1 means 2 is already there in I. So I plus 1 means 3. Okay, so now condition will check 3 less than equals to 5, which is true. So what will happen? Again, take input from the user, for example, 2. So what will happen? S plus value. So what is the value? Value is 2 and plus with S. So what is the previous value of S? 4. Okay, inside 4 we plus 2. So what will happen? 6 will happen. Okay. And now again I will update. What is the I value? Previously I value 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 will come. Okay, and 4 is stored. Now again we'll check 4 is less than equals to 5. Yes, 4 is less than equals to 5. So condition is again true. Again it will take input from the user, like, let's say 1. Okay, what is the value? What is the value of variable? And what is the previous value of S? So value is 1 and previous value is 6. So it becomes 7. Okay, again I value will update. Now I value will be 5. So less than equals to 5 less than equals to 5. Yes, condition is true. 5 less than equals to 5 less than equals to 5. So condition again true. So again it will ask input. Now for example I enter 0. Okay, so what will happen? 0 value means 0 plus s. What is the value of s? 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7. Okay, so 7 will store in the 7. Now what will happen? I value is update. So previous I value is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So now condition will check. We'll check the condition. Wait, everyone. We'll check the condition. So now I value is what? I value is what? I value is 6. I value is 6. Okay, so 6 is less than equals to 5. Is 6 less than equals to 5? No, condition is false. And condition is false. And in last we are printing sum of s. So what is the sum? Sum is stored in s. So sum is 7. Okay, so what is the sum? 3 plus 1 means 4. 4 or 2, 6. 6 or 1 is 7. So output is what? Output is what? 7. Alright, everyone. Hope you are getting. Okay, everyone, please try this program. Okay, try this program. This is a nice program. You can try and paste the output input. Paste the program inside the comment box. Okay, practice each program and put inside the comment box. Okay. For example, if I write I equals to 0, so it is what? Initialization. I'm writing while I less than equals to 5. So this is what? This is what? This is condition, and this is statement, and this is updation. I equals to I plus 1. This is what? Updation. J equals to 1 means initialization. While j less than equals to 5, what happened? Y will print. For example, let me show you with example. For example, if I say I equals to 0, so this is what? Initialization. Now I will write while, and in while I will write condition. I less than equals to 5. So what I will say? Print hello world. Print hello world. Okay. And what I will do? I will write updation. I equals to I plus 1. I plus 1. Okay, remember one thing, we cannot write like this I plus plus. We cannot write like this because plus plus operator is not there in Python. That's why we write like this updation. We write updation like this. I equals to I plus 1. Okay, see what will happen when I run it. What will happen? Hello world print. How many time? How many time? 6 time. Okay, 6 time. 6 time or 5 time, because it's starting with 0. So that is why it is 6 time. If I start with 1, so how many time it will execute now? It will execute 5 times. Okay, so this is 5 times. Okay, everyone, I hope you are getting. So this is what? This is initialization. Okay, and this is what? It become infinite. Why? Because k greater than equals to 5. So 1 is greater than equals to 5. 1 is greater than equals to 5. No. So this is the false. It will not become infinite. This is the false condition. What will happen? Nothing. No statement will execute. Okay. Okay. If I initialize p equals to 5, and if I write 5 greater than 1, which is true. So what will happen? Python will print. And 5 minus 1, 4. So 4 is greater than 1. Yes, again true. 4 is greater than 1, again true. Python will again print. Now it become 1 minus, so it will become 3. 3 greater than equals to 1, yes, true. So what will happen? Again Python likewise. You can try. Everyone, please try this. Okay. So thank you everyone for giving me your valuable time. Okay. So if you have learned something from this video lecture, then practice the code and use hacker rank as well. Okay. Use hacker rank. Hacker rank. Okay. Practice. Try to practice such problems on the simple problem on hacker rank, and take basic certificate, and problem solving. Problem sorry problem solving certificate from HackerRank. Okay, these are the free certificate. This is the free certificate, no fee, no fee, and this is worldwide acceptable. Okay, for example, so many companies hire the employees for how they hire, because there are lots of resume, there are lots of candidates. So how they hire? They go to the HackerRank, and they use some filters like how many students are cleared basic certificate, how many students are clear problem solving certificate, how many students solve like 1,000 problem. This is the filter from the HR side, from the company perspective. So this is how company sorts. That's why I'm saying what we are doing in this course, in this training course, we are not missing any theory, we will not miss any program. Okay, we will not miss any project, and we will not miss any hacker rank problem. All we will solve, because this is the programming journey. This is the programming journey, not just a video. Okay, that's why I'm saying stay tuned, and in the comment section give your program. Okay, I will check everyone's program, and I will appreciate you if you use some new logic. Okay, so thank you everyone for giving me your valuable time. Thank you. Okay, and always be happy, keep a smile on your face, and try to solve problems. Try to solve more and more problem, like 200 problem, like 300 problem. Try your goal, make your goal like in 1 month you will solve this problem, or in 2 months you can solve this problem. Because if you will not make the goal, you will be the directionless. So in order to become direction, you want to make the direction, establish direction in your lives. So make a goal of 200 or 300 problem solving, and every day solve some 5 problems, or maybe 10 problems. Sometimes you can go through 100 problems. When you do problems, you will meet with problems, you will meet with problems, you will meet with errors. Okay, so the what we can say, the success is behind the error and behind the problems. Okay, success is hidden behind the problem and error. If you are facing error, if you are facing like problems, so it's mean you are in the way of success. Okay, if you are not facing any problem, any difficulty, it's mean you are in the wrong track. Okay, if you are facing problems and error, it's mean you are on the good track. And try to remove error, try to resolve the error, try to debug your program by your own, or stay tuned here. We will also do programs of HackerRank and other websites as well. We will do projects as well. Okay, so don't worry, we will continue with each modules. Okay, so thank you everyone again. Bye.